Investing in the stock market can be intimidating. The S&P 500 index offers a reliable entry point for wealth growth. The S&P 500 tracks 500 major U.S. companies across various industries, serving as a key market performance indicator. It represents 80% of the U.S. market, offers diversification, and reflects global economic trends, serving as a benchmark. The S&P 500 is vital for investors, showing U.S. economic health and offering strong returns with low investment barriers. The index is market capitalization weighted, with larger companies influencing performance more than smaller ones. Index funds offer diversification, low fees, and consistent performance, making them a popular S&P 500 investment choice. Robo-advisors automate portfolio management, offering easy access to diversified investments, including the S&P 500. Investors can buy specific S&P 500 stocks, allowing for focused investment but requiring active management and research. Set your goals, assess risk tolerance, choose investment vehicles, open accounts, and invest consistently for long-term growth. Enjoy strong returns, diversification, passive investment opportunities, and protection against inflation with the S&P 500. The S&P 500 is ideal for long-term growth. Begin today, stay consistent, and achieve financial independence through investing.